How to reset your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can factory reset your iPad. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, let's say that you have your iPad, you have decided to reset it because you want to actually start everything from the beginning. Well, in that case, the very first thing you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up the settings app on your iPad. Once you open up settings, you'll be able to see all of these options. Make sure that you are under the general tab right over here. As you go to the general tab on the right hand side, you'll see all of these options. At the very bottom, you have this button which is reset. All you have to do is tap on the reset button. As you tap on reset, before you try to factory reset it, you could also go ahead and try to reset all of the settings which you have. In that case, go ahead and try to reset all of the settings with your passcode. But if you want to erase all content and settings and hard reset it and remove everything from your iPad, in that case you can tap on erase all content and settings, and you can see it says whether you want to backup or erase or whether you want to skip the backup. I will skip the backup and let's say erase now, and it will basically ask you to enter with your iPad pin. So go ahead and then simply enter the pin. Once you enter the pin, you can see it says erase iPad. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. All you have to do is tap on this erase button which you see, and it may or may not ask you to verify with your Apple ID password. If it asks you, go ahead and enter your Apple ID password, and it may take a few minutes to actually reboot your device, and your iPad will be successfully resetted. And this is how you can reset your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.